surprise to everybody on the flight deck of the Boeing. Because if they'd seen it beforehand, they would have gone around or tried to, but no one did. And once the first thing you would have known is it had hit something. In the undercarriage, the nose gear would have come off, the nose would have dropped on the ground, there would have been a lot of noise as it was scraped along the runway. There would probably be fire warnings going off on the left engine. There would be a fair amount of confusion, to say the least. And this is where pilot training takes over. As soon as you call for a checklist, you go into train mode and you get things going. And the first thing to do is to initiate the evacuation. It's no good sort of waiting till the aircraft comes to a stop and then getting on the PA and saying, cabin crew, use door so and so. You've got to start it going, and then you'll get some of the people off. The fact they got all of the people off is a miracle.
Amelia Harper's with me here.